Take a look at the viewports in the 3ds Max interface. You'll notice that they're not taking up the entire screen. That's because the command panel is taking up a column on the very right side of your viewport real estate. When working with 3ds Max, there are many times when you want to work with a little bit more screen room. A feature in 3ds Max is the ability to minimize the command panel so that it sits on the very right side or left side of the screen and only opens when you run your cursor over it. This can be handy when you're working with large models, you don't have a dual screen setup, and you want to gain as much modeling space as possible. In the 3ds Max interface, place your cursor at the top of the command panel so the icon looks like an arrow with a small double box. Right-click and select Minimize from the menu. This will cause the command panel to roll up to the right side and provide a few more inches of screen real estate. If having the command panel rolled up is not something that you really want to use, especially if you're learning the program, it can be redocked to the left or right. Go ahead and do this by placing your cursor over the command panel so it flies out. This is going to have to be done fairly quickly because it will want to roll back up. Go to the top where the cursor changes, right-click, then click on Float. This will float the command panel. Now, right-click on the top of the command panel dialog, select the Dock tool from the menu, and select Right. This will re-dock the command panel back to the right side.